First fish of the day. Got her on here. See what I can do filming by myself. I'm solo. Feels like a good one. All right, here we go. Out on Kelly Shoals this time. I'm sure somebody will tell me I'm crazy and I'm not on Kelly Shoals. This is why I don't fish on the weekends a whole lot. It is wall-to-wall boats out here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a line of boats from Kelly's to Put-in Bay. I'm gonna come try to jig a few up here. Water's really clear out here, nice and blue. That was more than I could say for what was closer to shore. Hopefully I made the right choice. Freezing them in vodka. First fish of the day. Got her on here. See what I can do filming by myself. I'm solo. Feels like a good one. Oh, like a real good one. Oh yeah. First one of the day. Not a bad one. Might as well stick around here, huh? Throw that anchor boat on. Throw that anchor mode on and stay right here. So I got that one by the stinger hook. I don't believe I had a tipped with anything. About an 18-incher. It's a male. I caught one, lost one here on Kelly Shoals. Now I'm gonna move to Gull Island Shoal. That was a topic of controversy last time I went over there, but I assure you I'm going to Gull Island Shoal, leaving Kelly Shoals. Just sat down here, got my first fish. Look, they're gonna stop. Oh yeah. That was 16. I know I caught that with no minnow on it because I see it floating out there after I casted. We're just gonna go ahead and anchor here. Didn't work for us last time, but we're gonna try her again. Look, they shake it all up, then they come back over here. Thanks. So I don't know what this will do, but I got the GoPro hooked to my net. I hope it does not fall off, but I'm gonna try something. Something is on fire over there in Marblehead, it looks like. I don't know what it is.